P-trap terms and how to install turn down pipe, salt trap adapter. This is all 1/2 inch. I'm gonna make that loose. Then we're gonna lightly put this on just to this connection doesn't need anything because this is a flared tip. Here, washer goes inside the larger pipe and squishes it down. And then this was a 12-inch extension, so this is gonna go, it's a 1 1/4, so it'll go super far, but we don't want it super far. You want it like at least that much pipe in it. And so I measured this and cut it to here. So after we measure that, we'll take this off. This is a 1 1/4 to 1.5 inch reducer. So that's how you get from 1 1/4 to 1.5 inch. Don't put this way up here, it needs to be here. Do you want it, like if you need to work on this or service that, I mean, the minimum amount of pipe you want inside of another pipe is probably like at least 3/4 inch. So that's on there loose, everything's loose. We're gonna put this on, and that washer. This is the P-trap. This is an extension. They come in 12 and 6 inch. This is a stopper assembly. So it's this stopper drain assembly, the whole unit. And then the most important connection is where this turn down pipe and the P-trap meet. So if this wasn't perfectly lined up, but this one is, but like you just kind of go like that to find out, use this and this to find the sweet spot. This should all be checked out before you, so we want this to seat in here really good. All the other connections have the rubber gaskets. And so I set that one first. And bring that guy down to his home there. Tighten that one. Tighten this one. The other thing you can check for is to make sure that these are all nicely seated. You know, it's not squished in one side or something like that. Because then you're just asking for leaks, and the answer is not plumber's putty or tightening the shit out of it. Should just be hand tight and not leak. Same go there.